height they have given is 30, but the circular part is the radius 25. Can you see here?
Yes.
Yeah. So common mistake क्या हो जाता है? This 5 mm part will be straight over here. No? So everybody tries to join like this, and it joins somewhere here inside, because the circle will come inside. No, after 25, after semicircle. So what you all have to do? See, this way it is 50. This way it is 65. 40 plus 10 plus 15, and height is 95. What
This height is 90, right?
95. Oh, sorry. 25 plus 25 plus 20 plus 30. 100. Height is 100. See, 30. 30 plus 20, 50, 25 and 25. Height is 100. And this is 50. Okay. So this is 25. Go up 25 and come here. This is 25. Take this line here. Take this line here. Go behind 40. Go up 20. Come ahead 10. Go behind 10. And this is 15. Got the shape?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, bring this line here. Come down. Bring this line here. Bring this line here. All these lines are 50 ahead. Come down. See, this is copy, so I'm going fast. So this is the shape. Now, here, always mark a midpoint and mark 15 this side, 15 this side. Then make the rectangles down. Now, take this line 15 behind. Take this 15 behind, 15 ahead, 15 behind, 15 ahead. Longest diagonal, join this. Join this. With this center, you will get this part, and with this center, you will get this part. Now, shift this center down by 25, because this is 25, and this radius, make here. Got this part?
Yes.
So, you'll be able to do 20 here, go up 20 ahead, make this 10, 10, make it, and this is down. Now, the main thing what I want to teach you all is this. See, this is 30. At the height of 5, make a straight line first. At the height of 5, on this 5, mark 15 this side, 15 this side, make this part dark. Again, 15 up, 15 down, 15 up, 15 down, complete the rhombus. So, this you can make, and with this center you can make this and this. Now for the outer circle, this is already 30. So just take 20 down. This is already 30. Just take 20 down and complete the rhombus over here. Longest diagonal, take a midpoint, join it. Now your curve will come from here to here. This 5 mm part will be straight. If you will not make this straight, your curve will go inside. That will look wrong. And from this center up till here, this part 5 mm will be straight. Make a 10. Shift this center behind by 15 to get this part. Shift this center behind by 15 to get this part. And then this is down. This is inside. But I think copy ISO, everybody will be able to do it.